Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out who you are following on the Storytel application, including authors and narrators. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Here you should click on things I follow, which is the second option. And here you can find all of the authors and narrators that you are following. If you want to check it out, tap on its name. Here you can find the overall followers of this person, the titles to which him or her have contributed. And if you want to unfollow this person, click on the following button. And if you want to share his page, his or her page, then tap on this send button. You can share it via messenger, messages, or copy the link of it. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.